success is an struggle. When you start learning something new, you might have a problem at initial stages, but it doesn't mean that you will stop learning the things. As soon as you will grow, you will understand how beneficial it was. So, never think about the initial hiccups or the problems that you might face in the journey of life, but always grow with that and make it your passion to learn every day something new. Since you are growing now and you have started tolling initially, I know it's too early for you to understand these things, but you can make it, you can develop it as your habit for the life. Always take life as a challenge, every day is a challenge. We all are in the same game of survival through challenges. We all have a different kind of challenges in our lives. Someone has personal, someone has a professional, but everyone has some kind of challenges to face. So my understanding that if you have develops an attitude to fight with challenges every day, no one can defeat you in your life. It's always accepting the challenge, give challenge to yourself, and do everything at your best to uh, fulfill the promises that you have made to yourself. This is called life. Entire life we are running around the things. Some of the time situation might chasing us. Sometimes we will chasing something else, but it will going endless. It's endless till the time you will be here. This is the first step that you are learning to walk, learning to crawling basically, not walking eventually. This is too early to walk, I know, but yes, this is the first step. And once you learn the first step, I don't need to teach you the next steps, but you will automatically learn how to move ahead in the life. But this is my responsibility and duty to teach you in your first stage of life. Being a parent, being a father, being a guardian, it's all what we do. We just show a path, a right path to move ahead in the life. And next thing is that we can observe you how well you are going, how well you are doing, but everything you have to do yourself. No one is going to help you, no one is going to do anything on behalf of you. It's always you who will always do everything for yourself. I will be there every time. I will be there to protect you, to guide you, but you have to become strong in life to face every out of life. I will be there or not tomorrow, 10 years, 20 years, 15 years, but your spirit to be being alive and live a meaningful life should always remain constant. Whenever you grow up and will see this video, you definitely realize what kind of expectation I have from you and from myself also. So I know it will take time for you to understand these things, but I am sure that you will always keep it in mind and move ahead in life. All the best. Love you.